Hello, I'm Abulfatl Setigi, a student at Ionian Academy and a researcher in the field of information science and knowledge studies with a focus on information management. I'm also an aspiring inventor from Iran. I'm very excited to present to you my innovative idea designed to address multiple urban and global challenges. Today, billions of people, especially in rural, underserved or disaster affected areas, still lack access to basic services such as healthcare, quality education, smart energy, cultural exchange, and modern retail. Urban overcrowding, environmental crisis, and a growing digital divide have made it urgent to create mobile, scalable, and intelligent solution. These are the real-world problems that inspired me to design the Smart Caravan. The Smart Caravan is a modular portable urban ecosystem powered by AI. It delivers a combination of a smart service including healthcare, education, cultural content, retail, and energy to communities that need the most. It's designed to deploy repeatedly in underserved village, a small town, or post-disaster zone without requiring fixed infrastructure. So it brings essential service wherever they are needed. The core innovation lies in the AI intelligence modular hub and intelligent platform combining 8 AI, IoT, renewable energy, mobile architecture, and personalized service. It adapts to different community and innovation environment, making it more than just a machine. It become part of the local ecosystem. This is not just a cheap purchase, it's a human mission. From mobile peace caravan to emergency response and education in remote areas. The Smart Caravan serves humanity. It also supports UN Sustainable Development Goals and empowers local economy and culture. Where Remingen Silk Road Caravan, but this time with AI, robotics, and clean energy. Thank you, Ifia and dear jury, for this opportunity. I hope the Smart Caravan can inspire future TCS and serve as a symbol of innovation with empathy. I'm honored to share this vision with you and look forward to making it real with you